Let's simplify these expressions using exponent laws. We can clean up the inside first. And so what we have is 4 divided by 2 is 2. And x5 divided by x3, we subtract exponents. 5 minus 3 is 2. So we write x squared. Now we spread the exponent love also to the coefficient. So we have 2 cubed, which is 8. And we have exponent bracket exponent. We multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's just focus a moment on a divided by a minus 2. One way to think about this is a to the 1 over a minus 2. We combine this to a, we subtract exponents. 1 minus negative 2. Be careful, 2 negatives make a positive. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Perhaps a more faster way of thinking about this when we have a over a to the minus 2 is to simply throw the bottom to the top. So in your head, think of a to the 1 times a squared. So we just add 1 plus 2 is 3. Same answer. So with that background, let's simplify the inside. Dividing top and bottom by 3, 3 over 9 becomes 1/3. What is a divided by a to the minus 2? We just worked on the side here. The answer is a cubed. So we write a cubed in the numerator. We now distribute the exponent 2 to the top and the bottom. Exponent bracket exponent, we multiply. 3 times 2 is 6, so we have a6 on the numerator, and 3 squared is 9 on the denominator. Finally, let's work on this question here. One way to do this is to change the negative exponent to positive by flipping the top and bottom. We have 25x1, y3. We just mindlessly copy these values. And now let's begin by cleaning up the numbers. What's 25 over 5? The answer is 5. And here, let's focus on x minus 1 over x squared. We can actually push this down to the bottom. This becomes 1 over x squared. Essentially becomes 1 over x cubed because we're adding the exponents. So we have x cubed on the bottom. And as for the y's, we have y cubed over y. Y cubed over y can be thought of as y times y times y over y. And these cancel. We can even subtract 3 minus 1 is y squared. So we have y squared on the top here, and the z cubed is all by itself. Let's finish the question off by distributing the exponent, top and bottom. So we have 5 cubed, which is 125, y to the 2 times 3, which is 6, over, when we cube the bottom, we have x to the 9, because 3 times 3 is 9, and z also to the 9. It's always a good idea to rewrite as lowest base. So instead of 16, try to see 2 to the exponent 4, which is also 16. And the exponent here is 1 minus 2x equals 2 to the x. When we have exponent bracket exponent, recall x to the a to the b, we multiply equals x to the a times b. In the same way, we're multiplying 4 times 1 minus 2x. And so we use distribution. What's 4 times 1? We have 4. And what's 4 times minus 2x? We have minus 8x. Now when the bottoms are the same, we have 2's here and here, the tops also must be the same. Same, 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 same. So 4 minus 8x equals x. The rest is algebra. We throw minus 8x to the right. It becomes positive 8x plus 1 more x becomes 9x equals 4. Dividing both sides by 9, we have x equals 4 over 9.